Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming MinGW is installed on your system. Confirm MinGW is installed in C, \MinGW or MinGWW64 in C, \program files \MinGW64. Check whether you installed the 64-bit or 32-bit build. Choose MinGWW64 for 64-bit builds or MinGW for 32-bit builds before continuing. Next, verify the bin folder location for executables. Ensure the MinGW bin folder is added to your path environment variable. If path is missing, add C, \MinGW bin or the appropriate MinGW64 bin path. Use the Start menu to find a MinGW or MSys2 shortcut if available. Open the Start menu and run MinGW32 make or the MinGW shell if available. If no shortcut exists, open a normal command prompt or PowerShell window. Open a normal command prompt and run cdc \MinGW bin, then bash or MinGW32 exe. Alternatively, install MSys2 and open its terminal for a managed MinGWW64 environment. Use MSys2 by running its terminal to access a MinGWW64 shell. Create a persistent shortcut to open the MinGW shell quickly from your desktop. Create a desktop shortcut that runs C \MinGW MSys2 shell. CMD with the correct arguments. Right-click and select Properties to set the working directory and icon. Run your MinGW shell as administrator when installers or privileged tools require it. Add the MinGW bin folder to your system path permanently to avoid repeated navigation. Configure VS Code or other IDEs to use the MinGW bin path for terminals and builds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.